Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be showing you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque P270e Dynamic HSE. This petrol plug-in hybrid features a 1.5 petrol engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Carpathian Grey. Starting our journey from the front of this Evoque, where we'll find the Pixel LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead with increased road presence. Cascading down the side, the luxurious yet sporty dynamics continued as it sits proudly on a set of 20-inch gloss black alloys. To the rear, you'll also notice the privacy glass ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the rear LED tail lights. And as we open, the powered tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space, perfect for a set of golf clubs or even luggage for a week away. Within your boot space, you'll also find your two charging cables, one for domestic use and one for public fast charging. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with their 40-20-40 split folding rear seats in their ebony and cloud duotone leather. Glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way driver memory heated electric front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. As we now take a close look at the view that greets the driver, you'll see your fully leather heated steering wheel, which offers a sleek design and a wide array of features at your disposal, such as your lane keep assist and your adaptive cruise control. In front of you, you'll see your fully digital display, which can harbour key information such as your speed, sat-nav and your trip computer. Advancing over now to your 11.4-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your front and rear parking aid and your rear camera. You'll also be able to access heated seat functions, as well as climate control systems from within your entertainment screen, as well as your electric vehicle modes, where you'll be able to set preconditioning and see your charging capacity. Lastly, we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to help you find your next Land Rover.